Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. See there, so many dairy products. Isn't it amazing? Single dairy industry makes all dairy products right from milk. Milk is converted to cheese, butter, curd, etc. through various processes. That made me think, is there anything in our body that makes all the body cell types right from hair to heart? Yes, there is one magical cell in our body which makes all types of cells in our body. We call them as stem cells. Isn't it interesting to know about its magical side? So let us start the journey. As we know, the union of the sperm and the ovum gives rise to a zygote. This zygote forms a completely new organism. But the story is nothing without twists and turns. So a mass of cell, that is zygote, makes up an organism in its earliest stage of development. That mass of cell are nearly identical to one another. These are referred to as stem cells. These cells develop further to produce all cell kinds, various tissues and perform different functions. This is how stem cells give rise to different types of cells, that is differentiation. But do you know where it can be found in our body? The umbilical cord which connects the fetus to the mother's uterus containing stem cells. That's why you see umbilical cell preservation awareness advertisements nowadays. The blastocyst stage of embryonic development also contains stem cells. Adult humans have stem cells in their adipose connective tissues and red bone marrow. These soldiers help us to fight against several conditions in future. For example, with the use of stem cells, we can replace dead cells in conditions like diabetes, myocardial infarctions, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, etc. Even in the case of kidney or liver failure, we can produce organs with the help of stem cells. That's why we need to preserve them for future use. Otherwise, they will lose their magic power. That's why stem cell samples are meticulously extracted for preservation from sources such as cord blood, red blood marrow, or an embryo or a blastocyst. And they are maintained in tiny sterile containers, and they are stored at temperature that is minus 135 to minus 190 degrees Celsius. Such vials are stored in liquid nitrogen. So don't forget to preserve your stem cells and defeat the disorders. I hope this was helpful. Thank you and happy learning.